Hello and welcome to the Saitama Stadium. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Beglin.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Drury, and hello to everyone.
Here then the lineups for this game. So it's away we go then. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Aim forward. He's come through and he's had a quick look inside. Looks like a good ball through. This could fall anywhere! And the keeper barely had to move.
Great contact, but he just made it too easy for the keeper by going down the middle. It's been such a positive start. I think the next step has to involve tucking one away.
Gets it back. Shooting chance! Yes, it's in! A pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Well, I'd like to praise a nicely constructed move and goal, but it's hard to see past the many defensive frailties on view there. It was a shambolic attempt to deal with that last attack, it really was.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
Lingard. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. That has put a stop to that. Out to the left it goes. He's had a go! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Oh, much more than a routine save for me, and yet he just coped with room to spare.
Well, that's a foul, free kick's been given. And out to safety. Who's going to make this theirs? Lobs it in gently. Looks to slip it through. Big relief, it just needed better contact. Pumps it forwards. Gets into some space. And that's been repelled. Shot at goal! He has done it! And with that goal comes comfort.
Well, those two have a lovely understanding, and they executed the 1-2 impeccably to set up the goal. That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Tries a through ball. Well positioned to make that interception. Aimed long and direct. Now here's the through ball. Oh, good ball. Great strike, but the keeper's equal to it. Shade too heavy, keeper can pick that up. Now here's the through ball. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. Some excellent tackling here, and that one a perfect example. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. It's come loose. Now the pass. Lingard looking to get on the end of this. Defence has got rid of that. Pumps it upfield. Oh, good interception. Passes it through. Hits one! They've scored! Oh, high-quality goal. Lovely first touch, sumptuous second. We have got ourselves a game here.
Listen, goals change games, and that has changed the whole complexion of this one. They have the momentum now.
Gets it upfield. Done very well to intervene. Decent clearance now. Can anyone get on the end of it? Oh, well played, he saw that coming. For a throw-in. Battles to win it back. Spoon forward. Looks to slip it through. Lingard. There's the whistle for half-time.
Well, it's still anyone's game, as both sides have shown they have goals in them. As for the next one, should it arrive, that may have a bigger bearing as to who emerges victorious.
Very little in it. The score at half-time is 2-1. And we're off again. Tries a through ball. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Oh, really tidy interchange. Here's a corner, good chance. Great leap! And he's there to hoof it away. Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing. Now the pass. And shoots! Really well taken goal. Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
Well, I think the keeper has every reason to rip into that defence for allowing him to get into such a good position. Look, it's a whole different ball game now, Peter, and it's a test of how they manage affairs from here.
And it's Lingard. Lingard spreads it wide. Tries to get it forward quickly. Comes sliding in. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Has a look and has a go. That was mighty close. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted.
This defence is wary about opposition pace.
So they're just not getting too tight?
Yeah, they know that if they step up, their keeper could get a whole lot busier.
Oh, that's a waste. It's a long forward pass. Referee's given a throw. There's going to be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on. Looks like a good ball through. Seems now to be all about width.
Well, when you have the personnel to create in wide areas, then they need to see as much of the ball as possible.
Tries a through ball. Goes long and forward. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Gets it back. And he's made certain that won't get through. Lingard. That's an untidy challenge. Free kick given. Struck first time. That'll be a corner. Ball's loose, who's getting there? That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, Peter, and it looks like this defence will go tooth and nail to prevent him from getting another.
Decent progress down the left. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Spoon forward. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been the most eye-catching goal we'd seen. Ultimately, the numbers prevented him from scrambling it in.
Still going. Where to next? Looks to slip it through. Shoots! Pumps it upfield. Deftly done. He's made sure that that won't get through. None shall pass, that's the message there. Now the pass. Keeper's got good distance on that. And it's Lingard. Dinks one in. And he's onside. Oh, glorious footwork. Tries a long pass towards the front. Cuts it out. Passes it through. Ball's out on the left now. That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Now the pass. The referee's awarded a free kick. Looking cross-field, changing the point of attack. Forward it goes. Looks like a good ball through. And that will be the final act. A decent win via a very competent performance. Without doubt, they were the better side, and the result reflects as much. Well, after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
I think when we look back at that, the early goal proved so decisive. I think scoring when they did just gave them that element of control and confidence, and that proved key.
Well, that's it from us. Thanks very much, Jim. It's a very good day to you from both of us.